Hey, let's replace cabin air filter. This air filter is used to filter air used on your AC. So I will go step by step by removing that side cap, and then I'll also lower that pocket. And then after lowering that pocket, I will access the cabin air filter chamber. So let's do it. I'll remove that plastic cover that obstructs the entry to that chamber. Then remove the air filter. I think it is a holder. It holds the air filter, the air element. Okay, I had already removed the dirty ones a few days ago, so I just brought a new one and I just want to show you how to put it. But everything is not enough. Really out by the ocean, on those white hot sands, where every sunrise is just for you. So come along and take my hand. My things clean, so let me just clean this area, this chamber. Let me just make it clean using a piece of cloth. Then return the air filter together with that frame kindle until it clicks. That's nice. Then return the plastics just the way I removed them earlier. Now return the pocket. And return that side cup. And that's it. Thanks for watching.